He's got such an ugly face.
And he likes the thing and then he's gonna get my taste. That's the ugly face ever. Hey, what's this? Here, Bogo. And then he loses it. What's up with that? That's funny. I'll be my best friend if I have food. But he don't like me. He lost it again.
He doesn't want lettuce. He doesn't want the healthy stuff in the whole taco.
He wants some meat. Sorry, I just want to get.
He's like food.
Oh, yummy. Oh.
He's really pissed at you. I mean, he is really
I know. After all that background I did for you, and you're gonna treat me like this.
He's like, did you see how you were treating me right now? I love you, I hug you, and squeeze you, and torture you evermore.
Evermore.
Stop. Stop. Coco, stop. Stop.
His face is so ugly when he's mad.
His face is always ugly.
I don't think I've ever seen his face get all.
Now he's growling at Sparty.
Hey, Sparty. Look at Sparty. He's like, Mom, stop. Mom, stop him. He's gonna kill me.
He's scared. Sparty doesn't know what to do.
He's gasping for air.
He doesn't. Poco doesn't like that you're petting him right now.
Oh, Pogo.
Stop.
He's gasping for air.
Okay, let me eat my food. April, don't torture him. Let me eat. It's okay, buddy. I wouldn't be friends with her anymore.